If you look at this card, you can see a man standing on top of a high hill. He is holding a wooden van with both hands. Below him, six vans are rising toward him. He is pushing them back to protect his position. This shows that he is in a defensive position. But he also has the advantage because he is on higher ground. There is a lot of pressure coming toward him. Still, he looks strong and determined. He is not ready to give up what he has achieved. If you look closely, he is wearing two different shoes. This suggests he had to act quickly and was not fully prepared. Even then, he is standing firm and holding his ground. The sky is clear. This shows clarity and awareness in the situation. The suit of Vans is connected to the element of fire. It represents energy, action, courage, and determination. Overall, this card is about defending your position. It shows that after achieving something, you must protect it from challenges. This is the Seven of Wands card. If upright, yes, but you must stand your ground. If reversed, feeling overwhelmed, giving up, or struggling to defend yourself. Career business studies. If upright, you may feel challenged or questioned by others. People may not easily accept your ideas. Still, you have the advantage if you stay confident. Stand strong and defend your work. In career, it shows pressure and the need to prove yourself. In business, it can mean protecting your position or reputation. In studies, it shows working hard to maintain your performance. If reversed, you may feel overwhelmed by pressure or expectations. It may feel like too much to handle at once. You might start doubting yourself or thinking of giving up. Take a step back and regain your strength. Love relationship breakup. If upright, you may need to protect your relationship or set boundaries. Outside opinions may create pressure. This shows a connection worth defending. Stand up for what you truly feel. In a breakup, it shows protecting your peace and not letting others disturb you. If reversed, you may feel tired of conflict or constant pressure. It may feel easier to give in than to speak up. There can be weak boundaries or emotional exhaustion. In a breakup, it may show feeling drained or defeated. Health. If upright, you may feel physically or mentally challenged, but you still have the strength to push through. If reversed, you may feel run down or stressed. Your body needs rest and recovery. General guidance. If upright, stand your ground and trust your strength. Do not let others shake your confidence. You have worked hard to get here. Protect what you have built. If reversed, do not fight every battle. Choose what truly matters. Rest if you feel overwhelmed. You can return stronger with clarity. So, the Seven of Wands teaches you to stay strong under pressure, to protect what you have earned. It reminds you that challenges are part of growth, and that you have the strength to stand firm and move forward.